Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel today. I'm super excited to share some incredible skin secrets with you all. We're going to dive into the amazing world of Multani Mitti, also known as Fuller's Earth. This natural clay has been a skincare staple for centuries, and today I'm sharing my top 5 Multani Mitti face masks that are proven to work wonders on your skin. Whether you're battling acne, oily skin, or just want a glowing complexion, these masks will help you get the skin you deserve. Mask 1. Multani Mitti and Rose Water for oily skin. Let's start with an all-time favourite, Multani Mitti and Rose Water. This combo is perfect for anyone with oily or acne-prone skin. 2 tablespoons of Multani Mitti, 1 to 2 tablespoons of rose water. Mix these ingredients until you get a smooth paste. This mask helps control excess oil production, reduces acne, and tightens your pores, leaving you with fresh, matte skin. Apply it evenly on your face and neck, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse with lukewarm water. Mask 2. Multani Mitti and Aloe Vera for hydration and acne. Next up, we have a hydrating and acne-fighting mask with Multani Mitti, aloe vera gel, and honey. 2 tablespoons of Multani Mitti, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of honey. This mask is amazing for soothing dry or irritated skin. The aloe vera hydrates while Multani Mitti cleanses, and the honey gives your skin a beautiful natural glow. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse with cold water. You'll notice softer, smoother skin instantly. Mask 3. Multani Mitti, Turmeric and Yogurt for brightening and acne scars. Moving on to a brightening mask that also helps fade acne scars. Multani Mitti with turmeric and yogurt. 2 tablespoons of Multani Mitti, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. This is perfect if you want to lighten dark spots or get a natural glow. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties, and yogurt adds nourishment while exfoliating your skin gently. Apply this mask, leave it on for 15 minutes, and rinse off with cool water for radiant skin. Mask 4. Multani Mitti and cucumber juice for cooling and soothing. Now, let's talk about cooling and soothing your skin, especially after a long day in the sun. You'll love this Multani Mitti and cucumber juice mask. 2 tablespoons of Multani Mitti, 2 tablespoons of cucumber juice. Just mix Multani Mitti with freshly squeezed cucumber juice. This mask is perfect for calming irritated skin, reducing puffiness, and providing hydration. If you've got sunburns or inflammation, this is a must-try. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and wash it off with cold water for a refreshing effect. Mask 5. Multani Mitti, Sandalwood powder and milk for glowing skin. Finally, if you're looking for glowing skin, you can't go wrong with Multani Mitti, Sandalwood powder and milk. 2 tablespoons of Multani Mitti, 1 tablespoon of sandalwood powder, 2 tablespoons of milk. This mask brightens dull skin, softens it, and leaves you with a glowing complexion. Let it sit for 15 minutes, rinse with lukewarm water, and get ready for that natural glow. Those were my top 5 Multani Mitti face masks that really work for all different skin types and concerns. Whether you need to control oil, fade acne scars, or just add a natural glow, there's a mask for you. I hope you try these out and let me know in the comments which one worked best for you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, subscribe for more skincare tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.